Welcome! In this lecture, we'll look at how to add an intermediate certificate, schedule its availability, and choose a template. An intermediate certificate is an additional confirmation of successfully completing part of a course. It motivates students to finish learning and helps them feel a sense of progress. This option is especially useful for courses that don't have a fixed completion date or are continuously updated during the learning process. In such cases, the course can remain ongoing, but the student can still receive a certificate after completing all available materials. To add a certificate, go to the course page, click the arrow next to the Add Lesson button, and select Add Certificate. You can also open the course builder and add a certificate from the menu on the left. In the right panel, select a pre-created certificate from the list. In the left panel, click the three dots next to the certificate to open the certificate settings. Configure the certificate's access settings. The availability of the certificate for a student can be set using four statuses. Open, the certificate is available immediately after completing previous stages. Hidden, the certificate is invisible to the student. Close, and the certificate is unavailable but displayed in the course program as inactive. And schedule content availability. The certificate will become available at a preset date and time. Click Apply to save the settings.